Hi, this is Ken at Dripping Auto Pros, and today we have a 2014 Porsche GT3 coming in for PPF removal, paint correction, and a ceramic coating. The owner of this GT3 wanted to remove the PPF that was on it. It had been on there for years and had covered the entire vehicle, and it was starting to fade and turn yellow. We removed the PPF, then we did a paint correction, and then we put new PPF on. This time though, it was just a track package. We installed GTECHNIQ Ultra, which is a 9-year professional grade ceramic coating which will hold up nicely on the track. Want a ceramic coating for your vehicle? Bring it to Dripping Auto Pros. You'll be glad you did.